here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
On while doing it. Obviously this was the first shoe I did so that I could shoot the thumbnail for the video, and I had used a clear glue on it. It didn't seem to work as well for me as the I guess yellow, or what they call like a tinted cement, and the one that I had bought was off Amazon. It was like Angelus or something shoe cement, and then I wound up actually just, because I was trying to get these done and needed to get them done, I'd looked at a couple videos online. I went to Home Depot and picked up just a what seems to be a pretty decent contact cement. I'd seen a couple other people using it online. It's called Weldwood. And then you put that on the soles and you let it dry for about 30 minutes and it becomes really tacky. I think in the video you could see I'd started to misplace it and it was sticking really well. I had to pull this sole back off of the shoe that I had done first because, like I said, I used the clear glue. It didn't stick really well, and I recommend having all your clamps and stuff ready. I was kind of in a hurry, thought that I knew enough to be able to get it stuck and wouldn't have any issues, and so I wound up using the clamps like you saw me use in the video. And once I switched to using those, I basically had to do the first shoe twice, but you know, that's just part of learning. You know, but like I said, from what I can tell, it seems like it's going to hold up pretty well. These were a pair of boots that I had that the soles were starting to get to that point. Chunks were coming off of them and different stuff. The leather's seen, you know, some better days as far as I've gotten some oil and different stuff on them, but I don't have like any whole tears in them or anything. These Danners run about $250, so I wasn't really ready to trash them. I have another pair of boots that I had taken to a local shop, and it was, I think it was $100 or a little bit more, and I wasn't overly impressed with the amount of time they had them and the work. They didn't do anything any differently than you saw me do in the video, so they didn't restitch the midsole or do anything like that. He basically cut the soles off, sanded them down, and then glued on a new outsole. But I've watched a couple videos of guys doing this stuff. You know, it didn't look too overly complicated to me. I definitely didn't really want to try to get into replacing the midsole just because I don't have some of those types of, you know, shoe equipment and different things. But it didn't, as far as just replacing, you know, the outer sole, I didn't feel like it was going to be too big of a task to take on. I find, you know, I like a variety of different things. I like trying to work on different things I haven't messed with before with my hands. So I wound up picking up these soles on Amazon. I can drop a link in the description down below. But these, they're a Vibram, what they call a Christie sole. I believe these were $40 for the set of soles and then a can of glue. And then I have a belt sander. So I knew I had the equipment. If you have a small belt or drum sander at home, it's not a very difficult thing to do. You know, again, I make a mistake here or there. You might have seen the video when I was cutting the sole off of this shoe. I got into a little bit of the midsole. I brushed that up with some glue. Whenever I clamped everything back together, it seems fine. I can't even actually hardly tell where it was. So, you know, I can update you guys once I kind of see how much you know, wear I can get out of these things, or, you know, if the glue holds up, that type of thing. But it seems to, for as, you know, far as right now, it seems to be on there pretty good. I don't see any kind of bonding issues or anything like that. You do need to wait 24 hours. So once you put the glue on both pieces, allow that to kind of air dry for, you know, roughly a half hour, then put them together, clamp everything down. You want to let that set for a good 24 hours. That was another thing I didn't do out of my own impatience on the first shoe, was kind of trying to speed things along a little bit too much, and all that waiting, you know, it does make a difference, especially when you're trying to get that cement to adhere. So again, nothing crazy difficult. It was something that I'd seen a couple YouTube channels. There's a couple guys out there, and it looked kind of neat how they were reworking some shoes. Of course, I didn't go near as in depth as some of those guys. Just a pretty simple outsole replacement. But I thought it would be something that would be kind of fun to do here in the garage. Figured I would bring you guys along with me on it. Really, if you're a pretty hands-on person, and you know, you like doing different things, I found it to be quite a bit, you know, of fun, as far as just to be able to learn something that I haven't messed with before. So you know, if it's something that you're up to, like I said, it's not a big deal. But we appreciate you hanging out with us here on the channel. You know, hopefully you like videos like this. I enjoy doing different things and bringing you guys different content. So again, thanks for, you know, supporting the channel. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. And as always, take care and have a good day.